Welcome back to Shai's Fluency Studio. In today's lesson, we will practice simple English together. This is a shadowing practice video, so please listen carefully and repeat the sentences after me. You can practice while commuting, relaxing, or even while walking. Try to imagine the situation and speak with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just repeat and practice. Stay until the end of the video so you can practice the full restaurant conversation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today we are practicing English phrases you can use at a restaurant. You will learn simple sentences for ordering food, asking for the menu, and paying the bill. These are common sentences people use in real life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. Hello. A table for one, please. Now you say it. Hello. A table for one, please. Let's try another sentence. Hello. A table for two, please. Now you say it. Hello. A table for two, please. The phrase "a table for two" means two people will eat at the table. You can also say a table for three, a table for four, and so on. Next sentence. Can I see the menu, please? Now you say it. Can I see the menu, please? Thank you for the menu. Now you say it. Thank you for the menu. A menu is the list of food and drinks at the restaurant. You read the menu to choose what you want to eat. Next sentence. I need a few minutes. Now you say it. I need a few minutes. Excellent. Let's try another one. I am ready to order. Now you say it. I am ready to order. Order means asking for food or drinks at a restaurant. When you say, I am ready to order, it means you already chose your food. Let's try another one. Listen and repeat. I would like a burger. Now you say it. I would like a burger. I would like a bowl of soup. Now you say it. I would like a bowl of soup. The phrase "I would like" is a polite way to ask for something. People often use it in restaurants. Example, I would like a coffee. I would like pasta. Next sentence. I would like a glass of water. Now you say it. I would like a glass of water. Can I also have fries? Now you say it. Can I also have fries? The word "also" means in addition. For example, I want a burger and also fries. Let's repeat some sentences again. I would like a burger. Your turn. I would like a burger. I would like a glass of water. Now you say it. I would like a glass of water. Well done. Keep shadowing with me. Listen and repeat. This looks delicious. Now you say it. This looks delicious. Delicious means very tasty or very good food. Example, this pizza is delicious. Next sentence. The food is very good. Now you say it. The food is very good. I like this restaurant. Now you say it. I like this restaurant. Excellent. Keep going. Listen and repeat. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? Now you say it. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? The bill is the paper that shows how much you need to pay. Some people also call it the check. Next sentence. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now you say it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Fantastic. You are already improving. Now, let's practice important restaurant sentences again. Repeat after me. Hello. A table for two, please. Now you. Hello. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu, please? Your turn. Can I see the menu, please? I would like a burger. Now you. I would like a burger. I would like a glass of water. Your turn. I would like a glass of water. Can I have the bill, please? Now you. Can I have the bill, please? Amazing work! Speaking English takes practice, and you are already improving. Let's try one more sentence. Thank you. The food was delicious. Now you say it. Thank you. The food was delicious. Excellent. I am so proud of you. You practiced many useful English sentences for restaurants. If you want to improve your English speaking, listen to this lesson again and repeat the sentences every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel when speaking English. Thank you very much for learning with me again. See you in the next lesson at Shai's Fluency Studio.